Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Telegram cache files. First, open the Telegram app. Now, at the top of the screen, you will see the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. And you can see settings there. Click on it. After tapping on settings, you will see many options. From there, choose data and storage. You will see the storage usage option at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Then, click on Clear Telegram Cache. Now, it will ask you to confirm your action. Tap on Clear Cache to confirm it. And you will successfully delete your Telegram cache files. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to delete cache files on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.